Okay.
So this employee's been with you guys for how long?
For 6 months.
6 months?
For 6 months.
Okay.
She's been with us for 6 months. I just took over the store.
Yeah.
And in Guzman spot. So I started observing a lot of weird behavior. Me and my other API did dedicated surveillance on her. As we were doing dedicated.
What was she doing?
As we were doing dedicated surveillance on her.
Right away, this stops looking like a simple shoplifting case. Loss prevention didn't rely on a guess. They spent days documenting suspicious behavior before calling police. That kind of surveillance can make or break a theft investigation because evidence always speaks louder than accusations.
We've seen her ring up home alterations. We just seen her with weird behavior. We've seen her stashing stuff in the back of her cubbies, you know, where we have libraries. She was stashing clothes there, and then the clothes would go missing.
Okay, could you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly promise and swear that the statement you give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Okay. And could you state of your position here?
I'm the AAPM.
Okay, and how long have you been doing loss prevention for?
18 years.
18 years. So you definitely have some training and experience, right, with your job. So why were we called here today at Neiman Marcus?
We've been observing suspicious activities from an associate. We got a lot of leads of inconsistencies and a lot of clothes going missing, so we started doing dedicated surveillance. As we started doing dedicated surveillance, we noticed that the associate went ahead and rung up a transaction for alterations of a pair of shorts that she did not pay, that she later on was trying to walk out the store with. But since we have a policy put in place that they need to come to us 2 hours prior to them walking out with the alterations, I checked it the following day. When I checked it the following day, me and other managers checked the UPC of the pair of shorts. The shorts were never bought, and then that's when we had a talk with her this morning. And when we had a talk with her this morning, she confessed to taking that item, not paying for it, paying for the alterations, which was $24, and then she proceeded to confess of all the other items that she has stolen and taken out the store. That was not the only item that she did take, and she did start all this 2.5 months ago.
Okay. And then you said this happened about 2 days ago? We're talking about the 20th,
so
right?
the 20th is when she brought the pair, the whole set that was done from alterations. I gave her a slip for the pair of jeans, but the shorts were nowhere. There was no paperwork on the shorts. Okay. And that's when we had to investigate further. And as we investigated further, we concluded to the findings of the shorts were never purchased. And the only thing she paid for was the $24 to get the shorts altered.
I know you mentioned in the beginning that there was inconsistencies and also other information that she may have done this in the past. Correct. Is that from other coworkers?
From other managers, actually.
Okay. How you doing? Do you have your ID on you, by the way?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you mind if I grab out your bag?
Yep.
Okay. You have your bag, okay.
Yeah, right here.
No, we'll go into the other room. Just so.
No, I gotta go grab.
Okay. All right. Before I talk to you, I'm just going to read you your rights, right? Just our normal procedures. I have no idea. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Because they called us. Obviously, something happened at the store, and we're just trying to figure things out. Okay. It's just normal procedures.
Now the investigation shifts gears. The officer reads her Miranda rights before asking detailed questions, protecting both the suspect's rights and the integrity of the case. Here's the big question. Will she deny everything? Or will honesty change how this unfolds?
Normal procedures when we have to read somebody their rights when, you know, we're doing an investigation. Any statement can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand these rights? Okay. So look, they told me a little bit of what's going on, right? You're an employee here, right? How long you been employed here?
7 months.
7 months? Okay. So 7 months you've been employed here. So you know the proper procedures for, you know, I'm assuming employee purchases, alterations and stuff like that, right? Yeah. So they were telling me a little bit about it. So what's going on? Why are they calling me? What is? Yeah, we could talk in private. Up to you. You can stay. Okay.
I appreciate it.
No worries.
So through the time that I've been here, I've been obviously struggling, and things that I've used here, so clearly not that smart, you know, it's not like anyways, so that's what I did.
Okay.
And
like, what do you mean take things? What'd you take?
Oh, it's right here.
Okay.
It's right here on the statement. and then I put prices.
Could you
and
give me a
that's
little
what
synopsis of what happened? Because again, I'm not going to read that right now,
Oh,
but
sorry.
yeah, if you could
It's
just tell me.
like a jeans, a top, blazer.
So why did you do that? You said your times are rough, right? And
These are rough. I need to look good. It's just it was a brain thing. I'm going to see my therapist. It's just been a little rough lately. I'm not home. It's the first time I'm not home.
what do you mean at home? So are you from somewhere else?
No, I raised my kids. I'm always home, and now
Okay.
I'm not.
Okay.
And it's been a stressor. My mother-in-law with us has been a stressor, and I think I did something stupid.
So those items you took, it wasn't for you to resell, it was just for the you?
No, oh my
Okay.
God, no! I used them here.
Yeah.
It was literally to use them here.
Okay. When was that? When did it start?
About 2 months ago, during last call, that's when I.
You know around what time
about
period?
2 months, maybe.
2 months. So we're
ago.
looking. So right now we're in October. So you think August? Okay. So
This is where emotion collides with accountability. Juliana describes stress, family pressure, and personal struggles. But difficult circumstances don't erase criminal responsibility. The real challenge is separating sympathy for someone.
could you give me the exact day in August, maybe?
No, he
Okay.
told me to give ballparks.
Yeah.
I don't really know. Again, it's like spur of the moment. It's nothing. Like I go home and I plan this.
Okay. Okay. So what did you take without you paying for it? Was those five items? So 4 items.
Sorry, 5 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 items. So that was all in one day.
1, 2, 3, 4 items, and then that. No, it wasn't all in one day. Jeans. I stained my jeans.
So was it
I got
multiple
my
days?
period. Yeah,
Okay.
it was like probably a 2-week period of like stupidity or something like that.
So 2 weeks in August.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm giving you ballparks. Please don't quote me on times. I don't know.
Okay.
Like the jeans, for example, I stained my jeans and then, so I don't really know.
You swapped jeans at the store. So you went to the fitting room, swapped it out.
Yes.
Okay. So you basically swapped it. You wore it out, and you went home with it, right? Okay. And then when was the most recent? Because like those were 4 instances, right, back in August. And did anything continue in September? In total, how many items
think
did you?
so.
How many items do you think you took?
Like 4 or 5. So it's whatever is here.
So those items only in August then? Did you steal any items?
August probably in September. I'm not sure. Probably
Okay.
August, September. Probably end of August, beginning of September. That's probably it.
What happened 2 days ago?
40, 10 check.
Was it a pair of
Tailoring.
shorts?
Yes, the
Okay.
tailoring that I have it, and I was literally, what we do is we save things for 30 is whenever we get 2 different pays, and that's what I wanted. I wanted for next week. The 25th is
In a few days. It's in 3
right.
days.
So and then I have my sister's birthday party, so I wanted to get it tailored. So whenever I paid for it, it would have been tailored. But the other.
So those items that you I guess you put aside to get tailored, right?
That one.
Those items.
The
that
Nature's one. The other one I
the
paid
skirt.
for in this year.
Okay,
Yeah.
the skirt, right? Did you try to leave the store without it?
Well, I put it to tailor.
Okay.
So, well, I guess they put it all together. So yeah, so they would have given it to me. Yes.
Okay. The way the procedure is, right? The way they were explaining to me, the way you did it, it almost seemed like you were gonna leave it there and not pay for it and leave.
That's what I'm saying. I understand.
Okay.
That's why I'm saying I understand what it looks like.
Okay.
I'm not denying what it looks
Okay.
like.
And it probably is that way, right?
Well, that one wasn't because I including was gonna wear it. Like it's not.
So let's just say 2 days
That
ago.
one, yeah. That one, no. But
Okay. Have you ever been in trouble before?
never in my fucking life ever.
Okay, so she amidst everything that happened in,
85.
I guess, the end of August, right? She said it could have bled into September, the 4 items she took, right? She said about the 2 days ago, she was claiming that she was going to get it altered, but then pay for it. But again, I don't work for Neiman Marcus, so I don't know how that
No,
procedure
she knows
works.
the policy.
Okay, so the way she was doing it, was it to a point where she was going to steal those items?
She was about to walk out with the items. If I
Okay.
would have not told her, hey, I need to check.
Miss Juliana, do me a favor, just put your phone in your bag for now. Your phone, just put that in your bag. Thank you.
Oh, because I'm not.
Listen carefully. The timeline is becoming the key piece of evidence. Investigators are comparing her story with store records and surveillance. Even small inconsistencies can strengthen a theft case, especially when multiple incidents are connected together.
Because I'm not. Oh, gotcha.
Technically, you're
Sorry, that's my
detained.
son.
I hear you. If there's an emergency, let us know. But I don't know. But just for the time being, since I haven't gone through your stuff, you don't seem like the type that wants to hurt anybody. But we treat everyone the same.
All right, Julian, I had one question, right? So I know you spoke to Yomira, right? And she's
And the other.
correct. I know in the beginning when you guys were talking, it went from what happened 2 days ago to bleeding into all that stuff.
Yeah, because
Right.
I wanted to be honest.
Yeah, and you were honest, right, with them and
Yes.
stuff. I just want to touch base about what happened 2 days ago, right? I know during the alterations and stuff, you told them that you were not going to pay for those items of leaving the store.
Well, whenever she had said something, then yeah, I panicked, obviously.
Okay, and that's probably what was going to happen if she didn't really check on you. You'd probably walked out of the store with
I
it.
mean, I guess that sure, yeah.
Because it's easier because
in
you've
the
done it
bag.
before in the past, right?
Well, yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So what's going to happen is I'll be straight up honest with you because you've been honest with me, right? Based on whatever has happened in the end of August and also a couple days ago, right? Check this out. You are going to be under arrest, right?
Are you kidding me?
I'm not kidding you. All right. I'm going to place you in handcuffs once we pat you down, but you're compliant now, and I'll walk you through the
Are
process.
you serious?
But Julianne, okay, but Julianne, check this out. Your goal is to get through this as smooth as possible, right? As quickly as possible. So my goal is to give you some direction, right? We're going to do some paperwork back at the police department, right? From there, we're going to take you up to county, right? They have to finish their paperwork. And then you could probably leave from
And here's the moment everything changes. Once the officer confirms the facts, the interview turns into an arrest. Notice how calm and professional the officer stays, explaining each step while keeping the situation under control. That's exactly how these encounters are meant to unfold.
probably leave from there, right? It all depends on how quickly this all gets done, but based on whatever has happened, right, since the end of August, right, and also has happened 2 days ago, right, there is a crime about that, right? So do you understand that part?
Can you not handcuff me here in front of like
42 hours, 10, 12, good. We'll have this officer just pat you down, okay? And then if you have any jewelry and stuff, we're going to take them off because it's a little quicker of a process if we do it that way.
Can I put my stuff in my car with you looking at me?
I could put it in your car for you,
Okay.
right? And then we could do all that. So just jewelry and stuff, a little bit easier.
Oh, can you please not handcuff me in front of the store?
Well, I have no dictation about that. We have policy and procedures like you have here at work, so I have to deal with those policy and procedures. What I won't do is walk you through the front in front of everybody. We'll go through the back entrance here.
This one I can't take off because if I take off, it's gonna close. Like I.
Well, you need to take it off. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
There you go. Can I get a case number?
I'm just coming.
Case number is 11409.
Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do all the moving and you're gonna relax just like this. Okay?
1237.
Turn and face me.
34, 10 check.
Nothing hidden in here?
You can put your hand. I don't care.
Guys,
No,
1237.
that's not my. It's not how I do things. Okay.
1242.
Spread your feet apart.
What's my case number?
Female 17, case number is
Your shoes.
11410
Go ahead, sit.
11410.
Is there anything else on you? No other piercings or anything like that? Okay. She's gonna put you in handcuffs. right? And then in a little bit, we'll take a ride. I said I'll wait for the other additional documents. Again, you are under arrest. I'll make this as smooth as possible, right?
My car keys.
Don't worry about that now.
Because you said you're gonna put
Yeah,
my
yeah.
stuff in my
And
car.
I'm gonna check your bag real quick. Don't be reaching for anything.
She said I can put my bag in that seat.
Yeah. I'm okay with that.
Okay, thanks.
But is there anything in your bag you shouldn't have? I'll grab it. I'll grab it. So just listen, okay? I'll grab it. Is there anything in your bag you shouldn't have? No weapons, no narcotics, something like that?
No weapon.
Okay.
Drugs. I smoke pot.
You want to sit with that? No. Okay.
That's my pot.
Okay. We're just gonna put that into, I guess you could say, in our evidence. But we're gonna put that for destruction.
That's fine.
But hear me out. Like, just because things are rough doesn't make you did what you did right, justified. Just there's programs out there and stuff, right? You can always reach out to our community resource officers and see if they have any resources to help you out with. Because I know you have a kid, right? 3 kids. Again, they don't need to know what happened today.
I'm really claustrophobic and really nervous. Can you just untighten it just a tad?
We could untie it, okay? But it has to. Okay.
I'm gonna freak out.
But hear me out.
You
Okay.
said your security, your safety.
No, not even that. Control your breathing because I don't want to delay this where you have to go. Okay, because you obviously want to go to your kids. So do me a favor, stand up real quick. Lean your hands back a little bit.
This is yours too?
Okay. No problem. Just take a deep breath. You got to control your breathing because what happens is if you don't, I don't mind taking you to the hospital, but it's just going to delay things. Okay. Question: where is your car at?
It's a white Range Rover right here in the front.
Okay. All right. I'll put that in there.
Thank you.
Can you hold on to this? Thank you. All right. Let me grab that door. Step to the side. Oh, one side. Yep. To the right. Yep. Right in the front. Just make sure have a seat.
Oh my god. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna freak out.
Okay. Okay. Just take a deep breath.
Oh, I'm so claustrophobic. Oh,
Okay. Okay. Take a deep breath.
how long is the ride?
Say again.
How long is the ride?
Like 15 minutes. I could roll the windows down. So check this out. Okay. I roll the windows down. Okay. But I need you to relax and breathe, okay? Because if you're not relaxing and breathing, then we're gonna have to go to the hospital, and it's gonna delay the process more. Which again, I don't mind. I know you want to get home to your kids, right? So think about
Roll
them.
out the window before you close.
Yeah, I'll do that right now. So I'm gonna have this officer stand right here, okay?
The case ends with felony charges, but the bigger lesson goes far beyond one arrest. A few stolen items can lead to a permanent criminal record, lost employment, and lasting consequences. Was this a desperate mistake, or a pattern that finally caught up with her?